Today, we are going to teach you guys how we roll a water slide at Bigfoot Bounce. Hold all your questions till the end. Check out your slide. Make sure it ain't damaged or too dirty. Also, make sure those young'uns didn't leave anything inside. Take a couple pics of your stuff and make sure you got all the pieces and parts. If there are problems, speak now. Pull all them stakes except the ones in the corners so you can get all the top tucked in and the bottom stays flat. Pro tip, when you get your stakes, stab one or two in the ground so they stick straight up. This will make them easy to see. Open them vents so all the air has somewhere to go. Now we can fold it up. Once you have all the vinyl tucked into the unit and the bottom of the unit forms a rectangle, you can snatch the rest of them stakes. We like to fold them from the stairs side first. This makes it so we don't bend or fold them stairs. You can now fold the other side. Walking between folds helps push air out of the unit. Now for the big question, which way do you roll?
We like to roll to the back of the slide. This way you know where the back of the slide will be when you unroll the slide again. Sometimes it may be necessary to roll to the front to get water out of the unit.
The key to rolling is the smaller you start, the smaller you end. Also, keep the roll as tight as possible for better transport and storage.
Alright, jump down here and help us. You got a video. Big feet.
Two straps are always better than one to make sure the unit stays rolled tight. Also, don't hurt yourself rolling or lifting a unit. Bring plenty of help.
Oh my God. Another. Oh Lord.
The last thing we always do is double check to make sure we didn't leave nothing. Them $8 can add up quick.
Always try to leave the customer's yard better than you found it. Also, make sure you close all gates on your way out.
What is happening? That's one way to do it. Oh, whoa, whoa! Look, you be careful around those cars now. Be 100% careful. Go in the yard.
Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and check out all the videos at Wow Inflatables.